I know disability is not a particularly sexy topic. I also know that you like to think you're immune to disability and nothing's ever gonna happen to you. I wish you a long life in best health, I really do. Statistically speaking though, every fourth person watching this video will be disabled once in their life. And disability means almost always serious financial trouble. And when you think, I have an office job, I'm not gonna be disabled, you really should watch this video. You wonder what disability income insurance is, and why it is important, and why it may be important for you. Stay tuned, because you will get all the answers you need in order to determine if you should get a disability income insurance or not.
PerFinEx. Personal Finance for Expats.
What's up everyone? Welcome to a new video from PerFinEx, the #1 English-speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. Today, with another PerFinExplains on must-have insurances in Germany, the disability income insurance. Let me start with good news right away. You only have to take care of this unpleasant topic once and then never ever again. To help you decide if you need a disability income insurance or not, this video is structured in a way that all your questions should be answered. What is a disability income insurance? And who needs it? How high should your disability pension be? What are the costs of a disability income insurance? And what are some tips? To answer the first question, let's see what happens if you become ill here in Germany.
What is a disability income insurance?
Most of us are working and earn 100% of our current net salary. When you get sick, your employer will continue paying 100% of your salary for 6 weeks. Sounds long at first, but if you get seriously sick, 6 weeks is really not that long. After that, your health insurance steps in. Public health insurance will compare two numbers, 90% of your net salary with 70% of your gross salary. And they will pay you what? The higher or the lower number? The lower, of course. So you have a pretty big drop in salary already after just 6 weeks. Private health insurance will pay whatever you have contractually agreed. By the way, to protect you from being disabled in the first place, it is important to have the best health insurance possible with the best possible services. Here's a video that will help you decide which health insurance system is right for you. You can find the link in the description. How long will your health insurance pay? For a maximum of 72 weeks. So together with the 6 weeks from your employer, 78 weeks, which is exactly 1.5 years. 1.5 years sounds pretty quite relaxed at first. Problem is that all public health insurances are notoriously broke and don't like to pay. That's why they will send you every couple of weeks to a public health officer that has two options. Option 1, you will be able to work at least 3 hours in the foreseeable future, meaning your status is still sick and your health insurance will continue to pay. That's the better option for you. But if the public health officer can't really say when or if you will ever be able to work, your status changes from sick to disabled. Disabled is not sick, meaning your health insurance will stop paying. This really happens. I've seen it. I've also seen that public health insurances say, well, you haven't been disabled from the day you visited the doctor. You have been disabled from day 1. So they demand all the money back they gave you over the weeks. Either sooner or later, you will reach the 78 weeks and your health insurance will stop paying anyway. And that's when you might need a disability income insurance, because this insurance will pay you a disability pension every month if you no longer can do at least 50% of your job. Now that we know what a disability income insurance is, we can raise the question of,
who needs a disability income insurance?
If you rely on your ability to work to maintain your current life, you need a disability income insurance. If you are financially free already, congrats on reaching financial independence, by the way. You can stop watching this video now. I wish you a good day. Especially if you are the only earner and your whole family relies on your ability to work. You need a disability income insurance. Now you might say, but Axel, I have an office job. I'm not gonna be disabled. I can continue sitting at the desk even if I chop off my arms and legs by accident. Ooh, it sounds painful. Please don't chop your arms and legs off. Let's see if you're right. This is a chart showing you the reason why people become disabled. 30% because of their psyche, like depression or burnout. And another 20% because of the emotion apparatus, backs, joints, muscles, bones. So an office job has very little to do with your chance of becoming disabled. Only 9% of disabled people had accidents. Now you might say, but Axel, Germany is a welfare state. They're not gonna let me starve to death. True. Once all your savings that you built throughout your entire life are gone, you are allowed to apply for decreased occupation from the government on this level. The average payout in 2018 was 776 euros per month. But only if you cannot do any job for less than 3 hours per day. Not your job, any job. Even pressing a button with your nose for 3 hours a day. Oh, and 49% of all people applying for this payment get denied. There's only one way to close your income gap: a disability income insurance.
How high should your disability pension be?
If you have seen a couple of our videos already, you know exactly what I'm gonna say now. It depends. There's only one thing that's for sure. A disability pension below 1,000 euro per month is absolutely useless. Because we have basic income, Hartz IV in Germany. And Hartz IV is for free. If you make a disability income insurance with 1,000 euro disability pension, you are basically paying your own Hartz IV. Angela Merkel will thank you, but for your own financial situation, it's pretty stupid. The official recommendation is to secure at least 80% of your current net income with a disability pension. But I don't agree with this generalization. If you have a high income compared to your expenses and you only need 50% of your net income, then only have 50% disability pension. If you need 100% of your net salary every month, then get a disability pension that is as high as your current net income. And if you spend more than your current net salary, you should really work on your budgeting. Pay attention that you get a disability income insurance with a guaranteed increasing monthly disability pension. Otherwise, inflation will hurt you in the long run and eat away your pension. But more about the tips later. Let us know if we can help you determine your monthly disability pension. Because if it's too low, you could get into serious financial trouble. And if it's too high, you are wasting money on the premium. Speaking about the premium for disability income insurance.
What are the costs of a disability income insurance?
There's 4 factors that influence the price. Your monthly disability pension, of course. The higher the pension, the higher the premium. Your job. A stuntman has a higher risk of becoming disabled than a software developer, so he has to pay a higher premium. Your age. The younger you are, the more time you have to pay the premium, so it's cheaper. So, no, you will not save any money by getting a disability income insurance later, because you have to pay a higher premium than the younger you. Waiting just causes another problem, your health status, because nobody of us will get healthier over the years. And you must be in good health to get a disability income insurance. You can imagine this like a traffic light. Green means your medical history is clear. You never got a hit and you're accepted immediately. Yellow means a lot of unpleasant questions, health checks, and maybe some exclusions. So some parts or functions of your body are not protected. And red means you are rejected. period. So get a disability income insurance while your traffic light is still green, and don't wait until it's yellow or red. Is a disability income insurance expensive? Yes, it is. But there's no other way to protect yourself and your family against disability. Of course, there are accident insurances, dread diseases, and basic functionality insurance. They're better than not having anything, but a disability income insurance should always be priority number one to protect your human capital. Good news is, there's someone that helps you with the costs: the government. Thank you, Merkel. The government has two problems. If you're not able to take care of yourself before 67, the government has to pay basic income. And if you're not able to take care of yourself after 67, the government has to pay a pension subsidy until the rest of your life. So Merkel says, if someone takes away both these problems for me, I will support him with tax benefits. So if you make a disability income insurance until 67, the government likes you halfway because you take away their problem one. And if you combine your disability income insurance with a base pension level 1, you take away both their problems, meaning your whole premium for your disability income insurance and your base pension will be tax deductible. Now, there are some pros and cons of combining these insurances that will blow the length of this video out of proportion. So let us know in the comments if you want a comparison. For now, let's talk about the
5 tips for your disability income insurance.
Choose a German insurance that has to act according to German law. Choose a financially stable insurance company that can pay in case you get disabled. We all heard the myth, insurances never pay anyway, right? Well, if you choose the cheapest insurance with the lowest quality, you shouldn't be surprised. Quality of the insurance company has priority 1 here. When you found a good insurance company, pay attention to choose an insurance tariff with no abstract reference. Abstract reference gives the insurance the chance to refuse your disability pension if you can do another job. Very important. Also, choose a tariff with dynamic, meaning you have the right to increase your monthly disability pension if you need to, because you bought a home, got a child, upgraded your lifestyle, whatever. When should you apply for a disability income insurance? Now, because the price will increase every year and your traffic light won't get greener. And when you do, there are many important details like the health questions. Please be honest. Definitely do not lie, but make yourself as healthy as possible. Making any mistake here just gives the insurance an opportunity to deny your monthly disability pension if shit really hits the fan. Can't hurt to get support from an expert here. If you want us to help you, text us on WhatsApp or secure a free meeting right here. Stay healthy, everyone.